Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create a scatter plot in Excel, one of the best charts to show relationships between two sets of numbers. We'll use it to see the relationship between cost and profit. First, make sure your data is properly arranged in a table format. Now, select the values in both cost and profit columns. You can include headers if you like. Next, go to the Insert tab and in the Charts section, click on Scatter. You'll see a few scatter plot options. I'll select the simple scatter plot. It appears instantly. You can move the chart by dragging it from an empty area and resize it from the corners. You'll notice that cost values appear on the x-axis and profit values appear on the y-axis, giving you a clear visual of their relationship. You can also change the chart title by double-clicking on it. I'll rename mine to Cost-Profit Relationship. To customize the look, use the icons next to the chart, the plus sign for chart elements, the brush icon for styles and colors, or go to the Chart Design tab for more options. In Quick Styles, you can instantly change the overall design of your scatter plot. And the best part? This scatter plot is dynamic. Anytime you change your data, the chart updates automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials.